stopped flashing when it was down. It started flashing again. Now it stopped flashing. Hi ladies, my name is Angel and welcome back to my channel. I'm here navigating the world of fashion, femininity and finances so you don't have to. Returning subscribers, thank you for the love every time. If you're new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and don't forget to share. Join the circle, guys. And in today's video, we are going to be bringing you the much awaited, the much anticipated HotComb review. Yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I ran a poll asking you guys if you wanted a HotComb review from the UK's best black-owned, hottest HotComb company, which I have in my hand here. Let's just get into it, guys, because it did not quite go to plan. I was up at 4, I think it was about 3 or 4 in the morning, testing this HotComb for you, and this is what happened. Did I mention it's a black-owned company? I didn't. I did now. It's black-owned in black packaging and a black box. We love to see it. It's called the Black HotComb. This is the box it came in. We've got the instruction card and we've got the HotComb in plastic. This is very sturdy and heavy. It feels like you're gripping something, where this is very lightweight in my hand. So already that's a plus point. But yeah, let's get some here and we'll get started with. Oh. Okay. This HotComb is doing strange because it stopped flashing when it was down. It started flashing again. Now it stopped flashing. Jesus. So guys, as you can see, it was very scary. The appliance actually tripped my electricity, and what I couldn't figure out at the time is whether it was the new comb or the old one. But as you can see, I've had the old comb for a long while. This is actually a hand-me-down from my mum. So this comb has been in existence probably enough decades, let's just leave it at that. So when it tripped my electricity, I was scared to plug this appliance back in because it was very apparent to me that the only new device is this. Everything else in my house has been plugged and worked as usual. So in light of that, I believe in letting the dust settle and trying to sort things amicably with a company. So I did reach out, I did email them to explain to them the experiences I had. Unfortunately, I have not received a response to them. I wanted to at least put it down to maybe an anomaly, isolated incident, a one-off, a very unfortunate one-off, but I've had no response back from them. And I can't seem to find the company on Instagram. So it's just their website and their email address, which they're not responding to. So I do have to say that I would not necessarily recommend the Black HotComb company if you're looking to buy a HotComb. Although, yes, granted, it gets very hot. It does reach the optimal temperature, 235 degrees Celsius. Well, I'm assuming that because I don't have a thermometer to measure and make sure. But compared to my old wow, I would say it's hotter. The other unfortunate incident is that when the electricity tripped, it actually blew the fuse in my old device, my old appliance, so I'm unable to use this anymore, which I'm quite sad about. So yeah, ladies, gentlemen, I wouldn't necessarily recommend. If I was able to at least get another replacement and try that one out, at least I would have I'll have the opportunity to say, okay, it's a one-off. But because I haven't been able to, I would just say, in order to protect your health and safety, I would not necessarily go with this brand. I'm going to try and see if I can get my hands on a different black-owned company for you and test their HotComb and see. But the unfortunate thing is I won't be able to do the comparison like I was aiming to do with these two, as this one has now blown. Guys, if you liked this video, make sure you share, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'll be back soon. Take care and be good.